In this video, I will show you how you can unsync your iPad from your iPhone. Now there are two ways to do so. The first method is just use a different Apple ID on both devices. If you use the same Apple ID on both devices, you will sync all the data from your iPhone to your iPad. But if you use different Apple IDs, your iPad will be treated as a separate device. Now, if you want to use the same Apple ID, but if you don't want your iPad to be synced with your iPhone, first of all, on your iPad, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on the Apple ID. From here, just tap on iCloud, then tap on Save to iCloud. And from here, just select the data which you don't want to be synced with your iPhone. For example, if you don't want the photos and videos from your iPhone to be synced with your iPad, just tap on iCloud Photos and disable Sync this iPad. Now just do the same with all the other apps which you don't want to sync. After you've done that, now in the main settings page, just tap on Apps, and from this app list, just open the App Store. Now under Automatic Downloads, if this toggle has been enabled, all the apps which you install on your iPhone will be automatically installed on your iPad. So just make sure you disable this toggle if you don't want this to happen. After that, now on your iPhone, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Apps. From this app list, just open the Phone app. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Calls on other devices. Now if you don't want the calls from your iPhone to be received on your iPad, just disable the toggle for iPad from here, or you can disable Allow Calls on other devices. And with the same way, if you don't want your iMessages and your FaceTime calls to be received on your iPad, just go back to the Apps section, and from here just open Messages, and under Messages, just scroll down and tap on Send and Receive. Now just make sure that the ID you're using on your iPhone to receive iMessages or FaceTime video calls is different from the ID you're using on your iPad. So just go to Settings, tap on Apps. Now from here, just open Messages, and make sure that this account is different from the account from your iPhone. And this is how you can unsync your iPad from your iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.